She is my hero. He may be not famous or influential, nor have a supernatural power, but for me, she's the most extraordinary hero I've ever had. She does not have shields like Captain America, but she has wounds that protected me 9 months until I was born. She has 2 hands, rough and dirty, but that hand touches my body when I am sick. That hand taps my shoulder and says, "Great job, my son," when I win a contest. And that hand holds my little arm to guide me when I started to walk. She does not have arms that are strong as the arm of Superman. But that arm carries me when I am young. That arm covers me when I am cold. And that arm when I am afraid. My mother is not like Flash, who moves as fast as lightning. But I can't imagine how my mother worked and moved, doing all the household chores and selling products, goods in our sari-sari store simultaneously within a day. My mother is not Wonder Woman, but my mother is still standing after all the tragedies that we've faced. Every day since I was born, she wakes up early to buy products, meat, vegetables, fruits, groceries in our sari-sari store. But sometimes, even she had sickness, she do not stop working to earn money for us. My mother is not like Narda, that has a soul to be Darna, but my mother has a heart that will endure anything for the sake of his children, a heart that has an everlasting patience, a heart that will stand over the problems physically, financially, emotionally, and socially. And lastly, my mother has a heart as big as the earth, just to love me, my family, and us. Truly, being a hero is not having power, but having the heart to others. That's my mother. Because no bag is big enough to contain His love for me. What kind of identity I am today, I owe it to my mother. I'm proud being her son. I love my mother. I love my hero.